Welcome and thanks again for joining us here at Examine Baseball for another box break. This time it's 2019 Topps Allen and Ginter Baseball, a product we've really been looking forward to ever since we had the opportunity to interview Mike Oz about his special card in the set. With a host of other celebrities and legends, this is certainly going to be a fun box to open. We'd love it if you subscribe by clicking the button below, or leaving your feedback in the comments section, or connecting with us on social media at Examine Baseball on Twitter and Instagram, at From the Stretch on Facebook, and on the web, baseballhappenings.net. So we're going to get into this box of 2019 Topps Allen and Ginter. It tells us to look out for any of these three cards in every box, either something that's autographed, a relic, a rip card, a printing plate, or a book card. So let's see what's inside. So we got an oversized box order here, which we're going to hold off until the end. Have a little bonus at the end to open up. So as we get this box cracking, if you've already opened a box, let us know what you've really enjoyed about it. What's been your favorite pull? Hopefully we get one of our boy Mike Oz. He's certainly been looking forward to those cards. So here's what the packs look like. 2019 Topps Allen and Ginter. Here goes the first pack. Again, leave your feedback in the comments below. We'd love it if you did so. We go with pack one. Ben Zobrist, Felipe Vasquez, Danielle Colby, the Crime Dog, Fred McGriff. We got a baseball star signs of Ozzie Smith. We got a little mini here of Quinlan Falls. We got Zach Greinke, who just got traded, and another Hall of Famer in George Brett. Pack number two. Let's play two. Hall of Famer Ernie Banks, Juan Moncada, Stephen Piscotty, Chris Bryant. We got another baseball star signs in Frank Thomas. We've got a mini here of old professor Casey Stengel. We got Jay Larson, comedian, and Gregor Polanco. Third pack. If you went to the National, let us know what your favorite site was at the National, or what your favorite pickups are there. Yuli Gurriel, Jeff Bagwell. Ah, yes, my good friend Tony Oliva. What a wonderful shot of Oliva. I'm glad the Topps was able to get him in the set. You got Cody Allen. Another wonderful card of Gil Hodges. We got a Mares and Stallions card here. We've got Ahmed Rosario starting to pick up, and we got this mini here of Lost Languages. Interesting that they had we got Oliva and Hodges in the same pack. They both were in competition for a Hall of Fame spot there with one of those golden era ballot votes. I think they're both up next year. It's going to be an interesting vote for Hall of Fame. It's definitely a big push for both of them. Here we go, pack number four. Another legend in Sandy Koufax. It looks like behind him, Johnny Bench. What a battery here. We got Blake Snell. Newman from the Pirates. That's Kevin Newman. We got an interesting mini here of Torrey Hunter. Another star signs, Yadi Molina. I get the recently retired, how cool is that? Troy Tulowitzki and Steven Strasburg. Pack 5, as we get into it again. Leave your comments, what you like below. You're going to connect with us on social media. We're at Examine Baseball on most platforms. Jason Varitek. We got Jorge Alfaro. Chris Archer. Victor Robles sporting the MLB jersey. Got a mini here of George Brett. The A&G back. Check that out. Mares and Stallions. Got an Irish Cobb. Zawa Lugo. And Juan Soto. Pack number 6. Again, thanks for joining us here at Examine Baseball. We'd love it if you follow by clicking that subscribe button. Luke Voigt. Another Hall of Famer here. We got Eddie Murray. Chris Sale. Robin Yount. Multiple Hall of Famers today. Incredible equipment. Rosie the Riveter's work gloves. Got a subway train. Allen and Ginter. We're here in New York, so it's a familiar sight. We got another Hall of Famer, Carl Yastrzemski and Ben Schwartz. Dennis Eckersley, Corey Kluber, Isaiah Kanafalefa, Ian Happ. We've got a mini of Ricky Henderson here. Another A&G back. We got Andrew McCutchen. And Pete Alonso rookie here. We got this funky History of Flight card that looks nothing like what's in the rest of the set. We got Juan Gonzalez. Nice to see him in 2019 Allen and Ginter. Matt Carpenter. Mike Trout. Trevor Story. Funky mini here of Trevor Hoffman. Hercules Club for incredible equipment. Xander Bogaerts. And Ryan Dozier. You can tag us on social media at Examine Baseball. Subscribe by hitting that button below. We got more box breaks coming up for you. Splendid Splinter himself, Ted Williams, Jared Rodriguez. Got a mini here of Bryce Harper, Wade Boggs. Newest member of the Hall of Fame, the late Roy Halladay. Another one of those flight cards here. Tony Perez. This is a really great looking set here, and they did an awesome job with the retired players and Hall of Famers, I must say. And speaking of new era, we got a rookie of Jeff McNeil. It's two of those Mets rookies back to back. Alonzo McNeil, both having great seasons here in New York. Next pack, about halfway through the box, Edwin Diaz, Max Muncy, Chance Adams, many of Vlad Guerrero Jr. here, nice looking card. There's the back. Daniel Palka, we got Ginter Greats, late Harmon Killebrew, certainly is. Clayton Kershaw, and Big Papi David Ortiz, who is recovering from major surgery after being shot in the Dominican Republic. Well wishes go out to Big Poppy. Still no Mike Oz yet. Mike, we're looking for you, buddy. Boston Red Sox World Series champions card here. Nice addition. Ronald Acuna Jr. The great Bo Jackson. We got a mini here of John Lester. Masahiro Tanaka. We get the Ginter greats of Roger Clemens. Justice Sheffield rookie here. And Matt Mercer. Thanks for sticking us here. This here at Examined Baseball. Through his 2019 Topps Allen and Ginter box break. One of our favorite sets in terms of design. We just opened 2019 Topps Stadium Club. Another great looking set. Topps, I think, really nailed it with the art this year in Allen and Ginter. Michael Franco. Elvis Andrews. Got a mini here by Eddie Rosario. Lorenzo Cain, Carlos Santana, and the full size of Casey Stengel, Babe Ruth, Ginter greats, and another Hall of Famer in lefty Steve Carlton. Still haven't had that major hit yet. Rip cards have looked interesting online so far. We got the full size of Vlad Guerrero Jr. doing pretty well with the rookies in this box. Mcneil, Alonso, and Guerrero so far. Another captain, Pee Wee Reese. One of my personal favorites, Gary Carter. Nice to see him at Expos this time around. There's Canara Falefa again, the mini. George Brett. Here's one of the hits. We got Freddie Freeman, little jersey card here. That's one of our hits. And a recently retired Adrian Beltre, Mr. 3000 hits himself. Take a look at the back of that Freddie Freeman relic. Cole Hamels, David Dahl, Tria Turner, just a mini of the Tony Oliva card. Juan Soto. Looks like we got a framed relic here of Steve Carlton. Hopefully y'all can see that pretty well. And D. Gordon, Mr. Flash himself. So far, 2 relics, 1 framed, 1 not. Hopefully there's an autograph in there somewhere. We've got a few more packs left to check out here at Examined Baseball. Brian Anderson, another Hall of Famer. Mr. Piazza himself. Polanco Mini. The great one, Roberto Clemente, baseball star signs. Another relic here of Mike Franco. It's 3 relics in a box. Paul DeJong and Garrett Cole. Take a look at the relic here, red one here. We got 6 packs left. Let's see if there's some special inserts left. We did catch 3 hits, so unlikely to be another hit, but you know, sometimes the Topps, you never know, you get lucky, you can catch a 4th in the box. Still that box loader to take a look at. Juan Marichal, Dale Murphy, AJ Pollock, Kyle Schwarber. We got incredible equipment. Robin Hood's bow. Lou Gehrig, Dansby Swanson. That was a Steve Carlton mini that hit the floor before. Take a look at the mini there. Steve Carlton. Got our next pack here. Open up. Justin Verlander. Babe Ruth. Mr. News, Dan Rather. Yeah, Carlton Fisk in the old-time White Sox uniform. Pat Nashik. Get a mini here of Josh Donaldson. Bringer Rain. A Mustang Mares and Stallions card. Evan Longoria. Four packs left here at Examine Baseball in this 2019 Topps Allen and Ginter. The big question is, are we going to hit that Mike Oz card? Or one of Gary Vaynerchuk, by the way. Look for him as well. Reese Hoskins. Rookie of Fernando Tatis Jr. We hit all the big rookies, which is fun in this box. Jose Altuve. Aroldis Chapman. A little collectible canines with Shih Tzu here. The Mares and Stallions, Andalusian. Eddie Rosario and Ryan Yarbrough. 3 packs to go in 2019 Topps Allen and Ginter. Leave your feedback in the comments below. What you like the most about this set? What do you want to see from us next? Make sure you subscribe so you can stay up on not just the baseball card breaks, but the interviews. We got plenty of those coming as well down the line. We got Brandon Drury, Luis Gonzalez, Tony Gwynn, rest in peace, Brian Fallon. Got one of those like weird take flight cards, and a mini here of Jorge Posada. Charlie Morton, and then Vincent Steele, who is little athlete there, little umpire. I was a little short on the packs. Look at a few more. Mookie Betts, David Price, Pudge Mini, Roger Maris, Tuki Toussaint, one of those tape flight cards, Jose Canseco as a Devil Ray, and Cedric Mullins. It's been a fun box so far. Just like I said, a lot of great looking cards here in 2019 Topps Allen and Ginter. Let us know if you got a box, a blaster, a full box. Did you buy a few packs? Maybe grab some singles. Oh, there it is. Gary V. Blowing things up at the National right now. Check him out. Kevin Kiermaier. Yadi Molina. We got Justin Bonomo. Another tape flight card. Yeah, AJ Burnett. Miguel Andujar. The mini. Quinn. 42nd. Musician. Let me know if his music's any good. Those last 3 packs, get them up on the table here. All right, here's what we got left. 2019 Topps Allen and Ginter. Lourdes Gurriel, Jose Ramirez, Aaron Judge, Justin Turner, Double Dare himself, Mark Summers, mini, David Ortiz, the Ginter greats, Herman Marquez, and Buster Posey. And the Mark Summers back, another A&G back here. Last 2 packs. 2019 Topps, Allen and Ginter. Then give us a follow on social media at Examine Baseball at Twitter and Instagram. From the Stretch on Facebook and on the web. BaseballHappenings.net. Thanks for sticking with us. Salvi Perez. So Ryan O'Hearn. We did get the Mike Oz. Here it is. And you say New York City. I should say, and you say Fresno, we get the mini of my man Mike Oz. Check him out, Yahoo Sports, old baseball cards, taco truck throwdown. If you're out in the Fresno area, big ups my man Mike Oz. There it is. It's official. Hideki Matsui, Austin Meadows, Jim Palmer, Ginter Greats. Roger Clemens in a Blue Jays uniform. And well, look who it is here. Our friend Mayumi Sato from Japan. Topps' best artists. You can catch her work in most of the Topps products. 1 pack left in 2019 Topps, Allen and Ginter. Patrick Corbin. Got Mr. New York Times, Tyler Kepner, Williams' Studio. Got a really classic looking shot here of Cal Ripken Jr. Got a rare double here of Gil Hodges, saw him earlier. Collectible Canines, English Springer Spaniel. Straw that stirs drink. Reggie Jackson would close this box off with the Jerks and Profar. So again, thanks again for joining us here at Examine Baseball. We'll take a look at the hits again. We got Steve Carlton. Let me get that glare out of the way. Framed relic here. We got Maikel Franco, relic here. And Freddie Freeman. Thanks again for joining us here at Examine Baseball for this 2019 Topps Allen and Ginter break. Before we go, we got that box loader. We're going to open that up, let y'all know what's inside. Here's the oversized box loader. Don't really ever have any luck with opening these things and seeing what's in there. Looks here like we've got Mookie Betts cabinet box loader. Nice looking card here. Well, that's it for 2019 Topps Allen and Ginter. Give us a shout. Leave your feedback in the comments below. Click that subscribe button. Check us out on social media at Examine Baseball on Twitter and Instagram. From the Stretch on Facebook. On the web, baseballhappenings.net. Until next time, take it easy. Peace.